Welcome my dear students for this MOOC course on Abhidhamma. In this module we are going to discuss an introduction of consciousness, Chitta, on the basis of Jati class. The learning objective of this module is to understand the consciousness and its classification on the basis of class, that is the Jati. As we are quite aware that there are 89 types of consciousness in all together. They can be classified either as A, immoral, moral, resultant and inoperative. In another way, akusal, kusal, vipak and kriya. It kamavachar, rupavachar, arupavachar, lokuttar, both making the total of 89 types of consciousness. A, we are going to discuss immoral, moral, resultant and inoperative. There are 12 types of consciousness which are called as immoral. 21 types of moral consciousness, that is the kusala chitta, and 36 types of resultants, namely vipaka chitta, and 20 types of inoperative consciousness, namely kriya chitta. Akusal, immoral consciousness, they are 12 in number, lobha mulak 8, dos mulak 2, moha mulak 2, and kusal, moral, they are 21 in number, kamavachar 8, rupavachar 5, arupavachar 4 and lokuttar 4. Resultant vipaka chitta are 36 in number, ahetuk akusal vipak 7, ahetuk kamavachar kusal vipak 8, sahetuk kamavachar kusal vipak 8, rupavachar vipak 5 and arupavachar vipak 4 and lokuttar vipak 4. Inoperative consciousness kriya chitta are 20 in number, ahetuk 3, kamavachar 8, rupavachar 5, arupavachar 4. Altogether there are 89 types of consciousness. To explain in detailed manner, first of all, we take akusala chitta. If a consciousness is associated with many of the three hetus, namely lobha, dosa and moha, it is called as akusala chitta. Akusala mul sampayuttam chittam ti akusala chittam. Lobha, dosa, moha ti tayo akusala hetu. Tam sampayuttam chittam akusalam nama. Lobha means par sampatti haraniksha. The initial application of mind when lobha arises is ahoso par sampatti mama bhavaya. Let the wealth that belongs to other become mine. Lobha is greed which generates desire to have the belongings of others. Dos means antipathy or hatred, par vinas chinta. Dos is ill will and it manifests in the way of giving rise to antipathy, hatred or a desire to harm others. Moha is ignorance which covers the nature of the reality. Dham sabhav patichadan lakhano moho. In this context, it may be noted that all the immoral roots do not function together. They are not of any evil nature. The possible association of the immoral roots may be seen in this way, that lobha and moha functions together. There is also functioning of dosa and moha. Moha functions alone. It is in this way the three types of possible combinations are marked with respect of immoral consciousness. Here when lobha and moha functions together, moha acts as marking the rational attitude blind. Lobha becomes prominent and therefore appears a consciousness of taking the belongings of someone else in the form of ahoso par sampatti mama bhavaya. This type of determinative attitude of our mind is called as lobha mulaka chitta. It manifests in 8 ways. Again, with dosa and moha, the immoral roots functions. There, moha marks the rational attitude and those becomes prominent. As such, there arises determinative attitude of our mind to harm others. The name of consciousness is patig chit, which means desire to harm others. It may also be called dos mulak chit. It manifests in two ways, do manas sahagatam patig sampayuttam asankharikam, do manas sahagatam patig sampayuttam sasankharikam. Further, sometimes moha functions alone and it creates an atmosphere mental dominated by the darkness of ignorance. All the rational processes of our mind are totally disturbed. When a determination at the level of mind is taken under this situation, we name it as a mohamulaka chitta. It manifests in two ways, namely upekha sahagata udhacha sampayuttam, upekha sahagatam vichikiccha sampayuttam. Thus, the 8 types of consciousness are rooted in lobha, 2 types of consciousness are rooted in dosa, and 2 types of consciousness are rooted in moha. Make a sum total of the 12 types of consciousness, technically called as kama vachar akusala chitta. It is also called in following verse. अट्ठधा लोभ मूलानि दोष मूलानि च द्विधा मोह मूलानि च द्वेति द्वादशा अकुशलम सियम. Now we come on kusal type of consciousness. Kusal is a kuchita karena sayantanam papakanam akuslanam dhammanam lunati iti kusalam. It means that dhammas which uproot the immoral states lying in the surface of the mind in a filthy way, or we can also say that kusal is a kuskarak bijjamanam papakanam dhammanam lunati iti kusalam. That is, the immoral states which are existing within us in our mind in the form of kus grass, deeply rooted or uprooted and destroyed by them are called as kusala. The action is kusala if its hetus are with alobha, that is the sacrifice, or dosa, friendliness, and amoha, that is the right understanding. If the consciousness is associated with the 3 hetus, it is called as kusal chitta. Kusal mool sampayuttam chittam kusalam. Alobho is the absence of greediness, that is the sense of sacrifice. Vyagati alobho. It functions in 3 ways and degrees. Adosu is absence of antipathy, that is the friendliness, that is the parhit kamata. Amoho is the absence of ignorance, that is the right understanding. Amoho ti sammaditthi, sammaditthi iti panya, panya iti dham sabhav pativedhan lakhana panya. There are 8 types of kamavachar moral consciousness. First, when the consciousness arises with the knowledge, it is called as somanas sahagatam yan sampayuttam sasankharikam. Second, somanas sahagatam yan sampayuttam sasankharikam. Third, upekha sahagatam yan sampayuttam asankharikam. Fourth, upekha sahagatam yan sampayuttam sasankharikam. When the consciousness arises without the knowledge, somanas sahagatam yan vippayuttam asankharikam, somanas sahagatam yan vippayuttam sasankharikam. Upekha sahagatam yan vippayuttam asankharikam and upekha sahagatam yan vippayuttam asankharikam. There are 4 types of arupavachar kusal, kusal consciousness, obtaining jhanas on the four formless objects, namely Anant Akas, infinity of the space, Anant beyond, infinity of the consciousness, Akinchayatan, nothingness, and fourth, Nevsanya Nasanya, that is the state in which cognition is so extremely subtle that it cannot be said whether it is or not. Akasanchayatan kusala chittam, beyond ayachayatan kusala chittam, akinchayatan kusala chittam, nevsanya nasanya ayatan kusala chittam. There are four types of the supramundane moral consciousness. First, Sotapati Magga Chittam, Sakatagami Magga Chittam, Anagami Magga Chittam, and Arhat Magga Chittam.